Good day, guys, and welcome back to Mental Picks. So, for today's recap, we got a total of 44 Amazon leads for you guys. So, Amazon OA, we got 37, and then for Amazon Retail, we got 7. So, let's start checking some of our deals from today. So here you go. Let's start with Boots. So this matte MAC lipstick, you could earn a profit of 5.17 with an ROI of 31%. Next is this MAC Retro Matte. Profit that you could earn is 17.84 with an ROI of 113%. Next is this blush, profit of 6.87 with an ROI with an ROI of 32%. And lastly, this Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC again. You could earn a profit of 7.67 with an ROI of 37%. So all in all our deals from Boots are all MAC brands. So check them out, guys, if you're seeing this notification. And here are the rest of the websites that you should check on our online arbitrage leads. And for retail arbitrage, here are the websites. So check out all our deals because we got great finds and great deals for you guys. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options. You could check this out: review giveaways, affiliate income, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, guys, feel free to check out all these channels that you could choose from. If you're into flipping, this is the channel that you should check: Amazon to Amazon monitoring, or A to A flips. I know you guys are already familiar with it. And so if you're into flipping, check this out because this is updated daily. Alright, another bot operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So let's check this one from Argos. We got 50% price drop, 57, so mostly 50%, 65% price drop. This is a bot operated channel, so this is updated daily. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it, and of course, share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.